Welcome back kids, today we are learning about kitchen objects name, let's go! Hey kids, this is a refrigerator, it keeps food fresh and cold, we use it every day.
Hey everyone, this is a refrigerator. It keeps our food fresh and cold. We use it every single day.
Wow kids, this is a microwave oven, it heats food very fast, it makes cooking easy.
Hey everyone, this is a microwave oven. It heats food very quickly. It makes cooking easy every day.
Look kids, this is a blender. It makes fruits and drinks. It makes tasty smoothies.
Hey everyone, this is a blender. It mixes fruits into tasty smoothies. It spins very fast.
Amazing kids, this is a toaster. It makes bread crispy. It is quick to use.
Hey everyone, this is a toaster. It makes bread warm and crispy. It is easy to use.
Hello kids, this is a coffee maker. It brews fresh coffees. Many adults use it.
Hey everyone, this is a coffee maker. It brews fresh coffee every morning. Many adults use it.
Great kids, this is a kitchen sink. We wash dishes here. It helps keep everything clean.
Hey everyone, this is a kitchen sink. We wash fruits, dishes, and our hands here. It helps.
Hi kids, this is a frying pan. We cook food in it. It gets hot quickly.
Hey everyone, this is a frying pan. We cook many tasty foods in it. It gets hot very quickly.
Amazing kids, this is a saucepan. It cooks extra and noodles. It is very useful.
Hey everyone, this is a saucepan. We use it to cook soup and noodles. It is very useful.
Ready kids, this is a cutting board. We cut fruits and vegetables. It keeps the counter safe.
Hey everyone, a cutting board. We cut fruits and vegetables on it. It keeps the counter safe.
This is an electric kettle. It boils water quickly. It is easy to use.
Hey everyone, this is an electric kettle. It boils water very fast.
Great job little champ, we learned kitchen objects name today.